We're going to walk you through how to separate audio tracks in OBS. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. Being able to separate audio tracks in OBS is super useful, especially when it comes time to edit your recording. You can manage each audio layer individually and tweak them how you want. Start by going to the bottom left of OBS and clicking Settings. From the sidebar, go to Audio. Now, make sure desktop audio is set to disabled. Also, double-check your mic is selected correctly. Then hit Apply in the bottom right corner. Now go into your scene and head to Sources. Make sure the apps you want to record separately are already open. Next, click the plus button at the bottom of Sources and choose Application Audio Capture. Name the source based on what you're recording. We'll call this one Game and hit OK. From the window list, find the game. For me, it's Minecraft, and then press OK. You're now capturing the audio from Minecraft. Repeat the process. Hit the plus again, add Application Audio Capture, and choose the next app you want recorded separately. Once all sources are added, go to the Audio Mixer section. Click the gear or cog icon and uncheck any unnecessary audio tracks. Each source needs its own unique track, so make sure you assign them accordingly. Then hit Close. Now open Settings again. Go to Output on the left, set the mode to Advanced, and go into the Recording tab. There, select the audio tracks you want. I used 4. Then press Apply in the bottom right and click OK. That's it. I'm now recording. I'll hit Stop and let me show you how it looks inside the editing software. And here we are in the editor.